die. I don't die. Don't be this. They paying everybody for this country. I don't die. Over they pay you. I tell you, still on the street chance on Wazobia TV. Channel 195 making not told you that. If he told you that, I tell you, I'll be your. If this question when I throw that street today now, if they give you chance to be the president, what you go do? What will be the first problem when you go tackle for this country? As I talk to you like this now, even as this man there like this man get problem. The problem when get now the toothpick when they use for a mouth. All right, still on the matter street chance on Wazobia TV, making not tell you that if you be president, what you go do? If you be the next president of this country, tell me what you go do. Just like that. Just tell me what you go do. Okay, I'm fine now. What you making not happy? I bet record this man when not happy. Every spirit of not being happy. Holy Ghost fire. Every power. Every power. Every power. Oh yeah, they happy. Oh yeah, they happy. No. All right, come. Okay, let me ask you one question. If they give you chance to be president of this country, what you go first do?
The first thing I'll first do.
The fake pigeon.
The first thing I want to do.
Speak pigeon, not worry. Not pigeon.
I know. I first of all make appointment for my ministers. After the minister, there we go to meeting.
Speak louder.
And they will go to meeting and make the arrangement how the country will be put in order. That is all.
Now what you go first do be that?
Yes.
The ministers first.
Yes.
All right, still on the matter, everybody with your own kind of thinking, this and that, to show say this guy no fit rule this country. As if they just employer, if they just take as first president, what you go do? He saying go first apply ministers. Now ministers be our problem. My guy come up for road man serious. All right, quick it there. My guy, have fun. How you doing? Wait, guy, have fun.
I did, brother.
If you be president of this country, what will be the first thing you go first do?
The first thing I go first do?
Yeah.
Nothing much. Now I will just try make this country better.
Yeah, what you talk the first thing you go first do? What you go do?
What I go first do?
How you go to handle the country?
I go handle am with care now, like.
With care? Yeah, you care, the spoil they go.
No,
the care when be say the former president use when to spoil go.
Which former president?
I don't know, I not call person name.
I no call him name because I know say him do well, so no.
He do well, abi. The former president do well.
He
affect your life.
You know affect my life.
They not affect your life. I just sit down here. They sell recharge card. They form like say you don't hammer, and a SIM card they register. God go judge you.
God go judge me.
This guy not get plan for this country. Thank God. That's why God not they give some people chance to be president. This guy not get plan for this country. I tell you, back a deck. All right, Oga Fan, how you doing?
I did fine. First, I'll need to work on the educational system. As you see a lot of students, where they study for Ghana. Imagine ordinary Ghana for that place. They study spend 500,000 to school for Ghana. I go make sure say the educational system dey level. I'll make sure say we build refineries, the power sector. I'll make sure say stabilize. Although this guy they try, Buhari they try for the power sector. We don't get light where since it don't come. In fact, every night when they go out na light and they see. So definitely, but the education system is very important. I'll make sure say I stabilize them. Education system of this country. I'll stabilize it because it's not stable. That's why schooling in Ghana and Nigerian students will paying over 500,000 per section to school in our institution. And why we have school in Nigeria and the educational rating, if you check the rating in Africa, Nigerian schools are far below and it shouldn't be that way. South Africa, Ghana schools are ahead and education is very key. Our primary school education, from primary school education to secondary school, I'll make sure say everything they okay. I'll make sure say unemployment too much, it worse for this country. All these private companies where they come, I'll make sure say more investors come inside so that they'll fit employ more boys, more youths, where they do courtesan, where they run up and down, no get work. So that level now go reduce.
All right, Becky, I tell you, still on the street chance on Wazobia TV. This guy made point. Nigeria will not get school. No school for this country because in school they all these politicians children therefore not they go abroad they go study. Not be so. Still on the matter. Becky, come where you come. This one. Come. Now Boki be this Abi. Agbero. Come, not the shot, you the shot, come talk. All right, still on the matter, straight chance, location. Oga Fan, how you doing? Talk.
I bet give me no now.
Talk. You see how Nigerians dey vex. Most we get constant angry Nigerians just because I see making talk in the vex because in carry thinking come from him house put for head. He not leave am for house. Oga when they come next time leave am for road or house. Make sure like jam the thinking. Oga Alpha.
Oya talk.
If you be president of this country, what you go do?
No, I no be president of this country.
If you be president, what you go do?
Shame me.
Yeah.
I'm a president. Yes.
You sure say now your picking be this?
Yes.
Abi you kidnap the pikin? You sure? But the pikin not be like your own. No. Pikin be like one pikin from my area.
I'm a yellow.
All right, still on the matter, straight chance on Wazobia TV. You know, that's so the fun they be. When we say yes, you catch your phone. Yaba. Auntie, how you doing now? Wazobia TV. Are you in the mood? You are not in the mood. Who be this? Why they shout for me? Hey God, now wow. This country now wow. Even who not find himself, they do shakara. No bad for this country. All right. If you be president for this country, what you go do? What you go do?
I go do normal now.
Like what and what you go do?
I go do like to do food, do everything.
Okay. This guy na food na be him. And as you talk of food, now make me call where they sell fish. So that I go know. Okay, how much on a fish? Madam, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Ejo, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You dey tired?
Yeah.
You dey tired?
Everything done
Receive the power of don't be tired now. Every power of tiredness. Holy Ghost. Yeah, that guy. All right, Oga, how far are you doing?
Thank God.
Our business now.
Thank God.
Now you get this place, Abi.
Now person will get time with this.
Okay, this guy not be like who get time.
Money no dey talk now.
Money not they talk. But they speak sometimes. Because now woman when you see deaf and dumb, tell am sexy man. Oga, as you dey like this, if you be president of this country, what you go do?
I go carry all the money come out now.
You go carry the money.
Wetin I go do?
Madam, if you be president, what you go do?
I go carry all the money now.
You go carry the money. There's evil in this country. So much evil. People the best. Oga, if you be president of this country, one word I beg. What you go do?
I go carry everything come out now. All the money.
May no say not be only like thief when they this country. Now from childhood. Oga, how far are you there? Oga, sorry, they said you owner of the place now be this. But blind and deaf and dumb, he say no fit talk. So make us say I leave am for now. Our market. All right, so on the matter of straight chance of Wazobia TV, my name is MC Shaggy. If you just touch you that, now like this, we don't stop the show today. And I believe say my guy went inside motor. Alpha, correct. We don't stop show. If you like, they look me there. I don't stop the show. So I don't stop show. If you like, sit down there, not concern me.